All right. Good evening, everyone. This is the New Oaks AI podcast. I'm your host, Leland Best of Best Studios, along with my guest, Ray Luan, CEO of New Oaks AI and Easy Site AI. So we've been having a little catching up to do, fixing some things on the back, getting ready for 2026 for the fourth week in a row. I don't know. I want to go with that, Ray,
Yes,
but welcome to the broadcast. How's things going today?
thank you, Leland. Yeah, things going well. We're going to enter the holiday season, so
Oh, yeah,
everything
that's
is
right.
a little bit slowed down, but it's still going.
Good. Glad to hear it. We've got probably a short broadcast tonight, but it looks like we don't have a whole
Yeah.
lot to cover. But I'm really interested to see where we're going to go with this because I've got some stuff I can show you
Okay.
after seeing what you're bringing tonight. My good friend Jim Hankins has got a counter intuitive when it comes, or let's say a counter attack when it comes to what's
Okay.
been going on out there in the space. So
Okay.
tell us what's going on, Ray. What's happening in the AI world right now? What's the latest AI trends out here, you might say? So let's
Yeah.
talk AI
So
trends.
in the beginning of this year, Open Cloud or Cloudbot is so hot and so popular. Everybody is talking about it.
Mhm.
So it has evolved itself right into different stage.
Yeah.
So um, the past the last month, I mean before February, Cloudbot just built. There's someone built a agent social platform called Moat Book. Means that
Hmm.
there are like 150. I mean, sorry, 1.5 million chatbot agents, right?
Isn't that
Just
crazy?
use mode book to socialize with each other and talk to each other. Even they invented certain language that human, does not understand to communicate.
Did they really? I did not hear.
Yeah,
They created a language of their own.
yeah.
Oh, that's
They
crazy,
they
dude.
created a code, a
Oh my
secret code to
God.
communicate on their own, so that the human cannot understand any bit of it. So
That's
it's a
not
little bit
good.
of,
That's not
yeah.
good. I
It's
don't like that.
it's scary actually. They can execute secret tasks without letting human or their owners know. That's scared. That's really. I mean, it's great, but in the meantime, it's creepy, right? Think about it.
Yeah, I mean, he could be pulling a bot could be doing things invariable in a way
Yeah,
that we would never know what they're doing. And even though if the code looked randomized, it could be very well structured and we wouldn't know the
yeah,
difference. That's
and
insane. Did you
even better. And the last week, there's a new platform just released, was got really popular, called Human. I mean, Rent a Human
really?
AI, Rent a
I
Human.
didn't see
Yeah.
that.
So
That's
open
funny.
cloud bot start to
Robots need
distribute the task to
survive.
human, right?
This is
Yeah,
too
exactly.
much.
It's very sci-fi, isn't it? Right.
We're not
So, for
ready for
example,
this, Ray. We're not ready for this.
no, definitely not. But think about it, when there's some offline jobs that, right, that an AI agent cannot do, they can definitely
Yeah.
outsource that to human. For example, go to Starbucks, order coffee from Starbucks, right? Order food delivery, or just buy a cup of milk, teas, kind of thing.
Mhm.
Take some orders. So
I don't
yeah,
know what to say
it's
to this, Ray, but let me throw one more at you since you're there.
yeah,
Okay. You've
yeah.
been going here. Wait till you see this one. Are you ready?
Okay.
What do you think we have here?
I can't see anything on the screen
Oh,
yet.
you can't see it that well on Zoom because you'd have to slide, Ray. You don't see it
Right,
because
right.
you're on a mobile right now. You would have to
Yeah,
slide your screen.
exactly.
If you have your laptop there, look up clawbreaker.ai and just bring that
Okay.
up on the screen real quick, okay? It's a
Yeah,
wait list
cool.
thing that you may want to check out. This is my buddy Jim Hankins over at Cloud Bedrock. When he saw the fiasco that went down with OpenClaw and their security breaches and all the crap that
Yeah.
was going on with the guy who created it, he went to work and he created an OpenClaw build with all the source code that was
Okay.
meant to go and be the ultimate, most secure, possibly built claw build that could be made. So what he
Okay.
says is it's time to boil the lobster. which is basically
Right,
to say
boiled lobster. Okay,
he,
that's
he
funny.
found the way to encapsulate the OpenClaw code to make it
Okay.
perfectly safe. Because so
Yeah.
many people are installing this software. Did you hear about the one guy who the Claude bot, or at the time it was OpenClaw, and prior to that it's OpenClaw now. When it was
Yeah.
CloudBot, the guy had his bot autonomously order like a $4,000 guru
Oh,
program because he determined that the guy would be able to make a 10x return on investment if
right.
he just
Wow.
followed the program and learned from it and actually did what it
Right.
said. So it spent
Yeah.
$4,000 of the dude's money out of his bank account to go buy it while he was
Wow.
at work. And the guy didn't even know what was
That's
going on.
wild.
It's like, I don't know what to think of that, right? I'm just not ready
Yeah.
for that. All
Well,
right. So what
it's
do you think?
yeah.
What do you want to do with it?
Well, I think it opens up a lot of possibilities
Mm-hmm.
for
Mm-hmm.
how to use AI agents. I think Open Cloud is it's a brand new way to implement AI. So I think this year there will be a lot of real AI agents. I mean, personal assistants
Mm-hmm.
can do jobs, real jobs for
Yeah,
human,
seems that way.
execute jobs and finish some autonomous works. Um, but you're right, the security is a concern, right? So that's why it's safer just to deploy, if you want to deploy open cloud or cloud bot, just safer to deploy that bot agent to a separate machine,
Sure.
computer. Do not mess it with your home computer that you use it on a daily
Yeah, I would
basis.
agree. That's what I
So
told Jim. I said, set up a separate little thing in the corner that's just a
yeah,
beta build that you put together so that you can, even if it's
yeah.
headless, I wouldn't even do that though. I wouldn't connect it to anything on your
So
own network. Just leave it completely
so to
secluded.
make that happen, I actually ordered a Mac Mini here
Yep, that's what
yesterday.
everybody's doing. Nice.
Yeah. So
That's how it
I got
works.
I got the used one, second hand Mac Mini. So
Oh, nice.
I'm going to spend like 1 or 2 days just deploy the open cloud on that Mac Mini,
Yeah.
and I'm going to make the open cloud to handle my daily jobs,
Oh
like
yeah. That
customer
sounds
surveys, you know, sending emails, post on LinkedIn, even create videos for
yeah.
my product, EasySight New Oaks or top sales agent. Yeah, I'm trying to streamline everything on CloudBot.
Oh wow, it's working. This is crazy. I'm sorry. I got something in my screen here. I accidentally fired up my new
Yeah.
server here. Hold on.
Yeah.
Just making sure I got it. No, I had a window pop up in my face here. It got in my way. Sorry about that.
Oh,
I just wanted to see what's
okay.
going on. So no, I really envy those right now who are building this because I don't have a build made yet. And are you using an M4 or an M1 or what do you got there for the Mac Mini?
M1. I use the
M1.
cheapest model, M1, but
That's what I've
with
got here. That's plenty.
128 G
Yep,
memory.
should be
So
should be. Oh, nice. Yeah, that should be plenty though to run it. I'm sure it'll
yeah,
work. I haven't tried it. I haven't played with
yeah.
it, but I'm really excited to see what Jim's going to do with the fully because that build will be in AWS that he's doing. He's putting it right up into the
Oh,
cloud and building everything straight up. It's not going to be just
nice.
like it'll have full API type accesses through. You install it still, but it's going to go
Okay.
through the
Wow.
cloud
Yeah.
rather than just through open space and through the internet's open, HTTP calls. It's going to be fully.
Wow.
Yeah, it'll be kind of
Yeah.
cool. He's got
Yeah.
Jim. I'll say this much about Jim. He used to work for Cisco back in the day, and so
Oh,
his
wow.
forte
Good.
is all about messaging. It's literally pipe it
Yeah.
in, pipe it out, pipe it in. It's what AI
Right.
needs the most is a good messaging platform, and
Yeah.
that's what he's developed over time. So he's built some really cool stuff. All right, what else
Yeah.
we got, Ray? Easy site feature updates. I'm sure we got a few, but not a lot. Now, I don't know if you want to talk about what happened, Ray. I know some news went across Facebook and some things happened with your LTD. Do you want to discuss any of that in the open? I know a lot of people were concerned that things were going on and they were worried about what was going to happen with New Oaks and Easy Site for a little while there. And I know there wasn't any issue from your perspective, but
Yeah.
do you want to address any of those matters here, or do you want to just let it go and talk about it in private with others?
Yeah, I think that we can talk about it for a moment. I think we
Because
already
it
settled that.
happens. Yeah, it
Yeah,
happens in
it
the software space, and
happens.
we haven't talked about it here on the platform. And I think a
Yeah,
lot of people
yeah,
should get a better understanding
yeah,
what's going on when it comes to AI development and coding development. This happens all the time. People go out and to build capital, we push
yeah,
LTDs and things like that and special offers to get people to buy the apps so that we can generate
yeah,
capital and then work the app and then you start to produce a real product. So there are people out there that provide platforms that let developers showcase their products and sell their
yeah,
products, and then they take a cut of that income. But Ray had some bad players involved. They got into the mix over, we won't mention names or sites or anything like that. We'll just leave that
yeah.
part alone. But fact
Right.
is, bad players got in and took Ray for some capital. So word went around that Ray wasn't, doing his fixes, wasn't making his website right and all this. And I'm sorry, folks, but I will be the first person to stand up to say
Yeah.
I've been working alongside of this guy for this guy
Yeah.
for a very long time. And I know your integrity and I know your ability to be there when people need you. You're totally transparent. You do what you
Sure.
can to make a product work. And you are
Yeah.
always here to show that you have a transparency that you will not, jeopardize. So for all those naysayers out there, I just wanted to give you the opportunity to go ahead and maybe speak a word or two about what happened or not, and just let them know that no, New Oaks and Easy Site isn't going anywhere. That kind of attitude. So
Yeah, sure.
go
So,
ahead.
there's a LTD platform, has some insolvency issue, right? Their cash flow has some issues. So that some part of our commission has not been paid to New Oaks, but we managed to get it through. We actually work with another uh, LTD group. So Ken actually offered to help me to do
Ken's a
more
great guy.
promotion. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
I
Ken's a
give
great
credit to
guy.
Ken
So I
Moo
think,
where it deserves it. Yeah. Ken's a good guy.
yep, yeah. So I think that's already settled. So we are happy with the solution. We'll
Good deal.
keep developing the New Oaks. I mean New Oaks as an app and also eSite. Keep developing and keep pushing out new features. So yeah, I'm very promising that we, went through the whole process. It's a little pain on the ass, but it
You
happens,
think?
sometimes. So
Nobody should have to go through that, right? And it's really
yeah,
sad that the world still has people that work in that mode at all. It's really,
yeah,
they really don't care about how that affects others. They look at their own bottom lines and they think,
yeah,
who's going to notice? Or just the fact that they think their need is more important than someone else's need. And that's just
yeah,
it's not a place to operate from. Okay,
yeah.
so let's head to Easy Site real quick, Ray. What is going on lately over at the AI App Factory? What's happening? Anything new?
Yeah, so for each side, we have done two things. First, last week, 2 weeks ago, we actually integrate Cloud Code
Oh,
as a
nice.
core engine of each side, which means that it's more powerful. It can create project in a faster fashion, and it also can master browser. It actually use browser to test before it
Oh,
release the
nice.
project. So
Okay.
yeah, it has less bugs, more reliable. But in the meantime, if we use Pro mode or Max mode, because Pro mode we use Sonnet 4.5, right?
Okay.
And Max mode we use Opus 4.5, which is the most expensive
Sure. Yeah.
model, but also has the best performance. So pros and cons. Pros that the performance has been improved a lot, and the cons is that cost is also increased for if you
Oh, yeah.
use the
What happens?
Pro or Max mode. But the good news is that we are going to have a round of promotion for tokens really soon. So we're going to run a marketing promotion campaign just for any new buyers. If you buy either LTD or monthly subscriptions, we're going to give you like 50% of the price you paid for as tokens.
Oh, I got you. So it's 2 for 1, basically, in a sense.
Yeah. It's 2 for 1. And for
Oh, okay.
existing users, you are going to get one. If you buy 1 million tokens, you'll get another 1 million tokens for free. So 50% off. Yeah, literally. So that will help to eliminate the the cost increase
the offset
for
that you're dealing with. Yeah, I get it.
Yeah,
because
offset
I built because just building one site, I think one day I spent 1 million tokens on a build that I mean, I was on it for hours. It's not like it was just a 2-hour job. I was reiterating and refactoring and all kinds of stuff in the process. So I expect that. Do you see like an average yet, Ray, on projects, like what to expect when you do? Maybe a good granular to come up with for people who are new to the site would be to do a landing page. It takes so many credits, in between 1,000 and 20,000. To do a simple SaaS takes between 30 and 100,000. To do a more elaborate SaaS or anything that has to do with engines or automations and things, and the AI build in, you may be looking at 300,000 to 1 million tokens or 2 million tokens and things like that. Have you guys ever really gone through and had AI evaluate that on the system yet?
Right. Yeah. I think your estimate is pretty accurate, but it depends on what's your objective. For example, if you use so we have 3 modes, right? So light mode is original.
That's right. You added a new mode, didn't you? I forgot about that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right there on the corner.
We have different modes.
For those that don't know where it is, it's down on the bottom. You have a little pop-up now for Light, Pro, and Max development. So you're basically spending more tokens on the Max than you are for the Light.
Yeah, and you get a better performance. It's faster on the Max mode. It has less errors and bugs. Because it's self debug, right? It has self debug mode. But and also it's faster, and also it's more for complicated projects, right? Not just a landing page. If you build a complete project, better use Pro or Max mode, because it also has agentic skills built in, so that it can automatically finish a lot of things. Nice. If you want to save some tokens, just go with the light mode. So
throw some tokens in my account and I'll go play with it. I'm gonna go in there because I have several sites on Ray's build. If you guys don't know and would love to see some of my platforms that I've built on EasySite, just ask and I'll be happy to show them to you. I may make some of them public, and I will be doing some attempts, Ray, to basically clone some stuff that I've made on other sites. Will it pull it off okay, do you think? If I like build something on base 44 and then tell EasySite to go clone what I made on base 44, will I be able to pull it off?
Yeah, of course. So there are 2 ways you can clone that. You can either just enter the URL to ask EasySite to script data, or you can just export the base 44 code or lovable code to GitHub. And then
there's import. The trick, because I haven't paid for it yet. I want to just use it the way I made it, because I was on their free plan for a little bit, and I figured, well, I have a way to clone it if I make it. So maybe if I just make it, I'll go clone it when I'm done, and I'll use my own site. So I wanted to see how well their builders worked, and I just have to say, Ray, I don't care where I go, I don't care which platform I've been on, they don't have the interface workflow that you have when it comes to templates, settings, databases, project management, overall workspace, and the ability to see your whole project come together in real time. That's the difference. That is the true difference with EasySite.
Right. That's the database and the backend is our strengths. Yep.
Yeah,
that's
it really is.
True.
And it makes big differences. So $10 will get you 5 million plus 5 million tokens this time around. Ray's going to be giving you a 1-for-1. So every time he's going to give you a match for anything you buy, he's going to match you with the same. So a good time to get out there and start designing, guys. I don't have much else, Ray. I've been plugging away doing some of my own just plain old Claude code stuff lately, just to get ramped up, because I had to warm up my fingertips again from the days of old. I used to code 20, 30, 40 years ago, but I have not coded in so long, and now I'm back to coding again, it seems. But it's fun.
Yeah.
It's a lot different now when you got an AI agent sitting next to you doing all the work.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So anything else you want to leave them with today, Ray? I know it's you're coming into a holiday, so we're going to take a little break here next time around, or do we have room to get you in 2 weeks for the next broadcast?
Yeah, I think let's meet in another 2 weeks. I will let you know. Before we finish this webinar,
Yep,
we are
go ahead.
actually we released another product,
Oh,
top
nice.
sales agent AI.
Oh, that's right. We almost forgot about that. Go
Yeah,
ahead, Ray.
so that's our latest AI sales agent. So the it's literally is a email outreach and inbound tool to help business owners to focus on sales tunnel and lead conversion.
Gotcha.
It's
Very nice to
autonomous.
show everybody.
Yeah.
I got it right here. This is you, right? Top sales agent AI replaces human
Yeah.
sales, doesn't assist them. Well, that's wild. So you're not here to help people with their job. You just want to take it over.
Right.
Or he's
Wow.
going to rule
Yeah,
the real estate world here.
yeah, I think this year AI agent is going to starting from this year, we are going to export or outsource our jobs to AI. For example,
Really?
Cloud Code allowed us to outsource our developers' job to AI, right? And the mission of top sales agent is empower business owners to outsource our sales and marketing jobs to AI. So that's the mission and objectives. Is I will make it autonomous sales, just relentlessly to prospect customers and outreach to them, and pitch them to bring deals home. So that's the whole objective
Cool.
that I'm going to accomplish with top sales agent.
I like
Yeah,
it.
so
Yeah,
give it a try.
Yeah, I will. I meant to do that during the beta. It's not in beta now, right? It's out in V1, I
No,
suspect.
it's fully in production.
That's what I thought. Okay, cool. Yeah, we'll take a
Yeah.
look. I'm happy to do so, Ray. Sorry I haven't gotten in it sooner. It's just once I get my code cave, I don't get. I was growing beards and everything there for a couple of weeks just because I was spending too much time in the cave.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I have to come up for air every now and then,
Yeah.
Ray. All right. Well, we appreciate what you do
Yeah.
every day that you come out here to hang out with us and give us a little transparency as to what's going on behind the scenes over at Easy Site in New Oaks.
Yeah.
So we thank you for that, Ray, as always. I hope you enjoy your holiday coming up. And is there anything you want to leave the folks with on the AI agented process that's taking place this first Q1 and where it's looking to go for Q2?
Well, for before Q2, I think we are going to release a series new products like Open Cloud. We're going to implement Open Cloud, make Open Cloud for sales, for support, and for developers. So the Open Cloud of New Oaks Easy Site and top sales agent. So that's what we're going to do.
Ooh, I can't wait to see that. That'll be interesting.
Yeah, it's exciting. It's very exciting. So let's wait and see. Okay.
Well, good luck with that one. We'll wait for 2 weeks from now to see the rest. If you want to come see us that will be next Tuesday at 8 p.m. Eastern, before the season changes, we'll be hanging out with you guys. So come on by and see us then at the New Oaks AI podcast. Take care, Ray. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.
See you next time. Bye-bye.